We're going to have two different rounds of weather, Erica. So a lot on our plate here to give you in this forecast. We'll start with what's happening right now. Temperatures are in the 30s and 40s, eastern plains, really most of the state in the 30s and 40s. High country, you're mild this morning because you had cloud cover overnight that held in some of the daytime heating from yesterday. But a few of those places, such as Sawash, 19 degrees, Leadville, 27. So you can find some chilly air if you look for it. We have a little bit of wind in the atmosphere. For us here in the Front Range, it's mainly a westerly direction coming off the foothills. Westerly winds as they travel down in elevation. It does something called compressional warming. So that helps keep the temperature up just a little bit. So that's why we have a mild start to the day here in Denver with 30s and 40s and near 50 in a couple of places. Overnight, we had a little bit of light snow roll through the high country. It is part of the first storm system that will impact us, which extends from Casper back to Salt Lake, and out in front of it, our northwestern corner, we're starting to see a pretty good area of snow developing here outside of Craig. This will continue with each passing hour today. The snow in the high country becomes a little more widespread. It is really going to be peaking around afternoon into the early evening. So if you are traveling into the high country tonight, keep that in mind. In Denver, we may get a few snow showers overnight due to a cold front that's going to push into the Front Range later today. We have one winter weather advisory. It covers parts of our northwestern and west central mountains. 5 to 10 inches of snow could fall at pass level, so this would impact routes such as over Rabbit Ears Pass and Vail Pass. This is a wind forecast, so as we move into the afternoon, we may see gusts in the city approaching 20 to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, a cold front rolls in, turns that wind more out of the northeast. Once that kicks in, that's an upslope flow for us. We may see some snow showers develop. Initially, maybe a little rain mixed in. This snow will be light. It's mainly confined to the dark time hours tonight into early tomorrow. It should be out of here as we move into the 9 o'clock hour Monday morning. However, it is possible to get up to an inch of snow. So keep that in mind that we may get a brief shot of snow tonight into early tomorrow as this first system goes by. Right behind it, a second storm drops in for Tuesday into Wednesday. This one's a little bit further south, and it will have a little bit more of an impact on the state. 50s and 60s for highs today on the plains, 30s and 40s in the high country, a few 50s on the western slope. In Denver, 57, windy at times, not as warm as yesterday. Tonight, upper 20s, a few snow showers with some very minor accumulation possible, especially on the grassy surfaces. Once that system clears tomorrow, we're sunny, but then Tuesday, we start off sunny, turn cloudy as this next storm rolls in. A late mix Tuesday gives way to a possible all-day rain and snow Wednesday. It's out of here for Thanksgiving, though, 37 with clearing skies.